Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm talking a bit low because Nova is sleeping over there. If you want to see her, she's right here. Okay, so tonight I want to show you what my mum brought me back from Italy. My parents just came back the other day. They were gone for about 2 weeks, and yeah, they're back, and Mumsy bought me such lovely things. Okay, so we will start with this one. This is a pure cashmere shawl. It's like a scarf. It is from Firenze, Italia. Italy, as you can see, it's just stunning, really gorgeous. The color is really, really beautiful, so soft. I can't wait to wear it in the winter. And then she got me this Italian leather tote. It's beautiful. Has a drawstring. It's got rolled leather handles, hand stitched. Italy is just known for the impeccable quality in their craftsmanship with leather goods. As you can see, it's a little pocket to keep valuables, your phone, a purse, wallet, whatever. And it comes with this like little base, it comes with this like little base shaper at the bottom. It's kind of attached to the bag, it's stitched in, so it holds its shape, and it's like a vertical tote instead of horizontal. It's quite chic looking. It reminds me of my away bag. It's really pretty. It's a pebbled leather, and you can just see the impeccable stitching and quality. It's really amazing. That's the bottom. And everything comes so cute. Really cute packaging. Look at this bag. It's adorable. Okay, so these are 175 euros for 3 pieces. It's by a local artisan called Dario Massi, and that is him. And he hand makes all the jewellery. My first piece here is I think they said it was bronze. It's like this, looks like a swan or a goose or something, but it's beautiful. And you can see on the inside, all his jewellery has his signature. So you can see in there. A lot of the earrings had a big oval signature on the surface, which I didn't like. It should be in the back, right? But a lot of his earrings, it was right in the front. So you'll see these like oval signet plaques all over his stuff. But these ones, it was in the back, so I preferred it. How gorgeous. How high quality these pieces are. The next one is a Cobra. I love snakes. They're a good omen in a lot of cultures. In Egyptian culture, they represented a lot of good things. And look how gorgeous. And his signet is on the inside there. You can see. Just trying to get. It's kind of hard to capture the true beauty of it. Okay, and then last but not least, I got a matching Cobra ring. Look how cute this ring is. Matches the bangle that I got. Look at the detail. It's always safe to get adjustable jewellery if you're asking someone to buy overseas because you can't try it on. So I got all open bangles and open ring so I can adjust it. I wouldn't wear it like this. I would wear it like this. That's how it looks. So beautiful. That's how that one looks. And that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.
If I had it my way, you would still be near, you would still be here, this would still be all.